All right, so we have made it in the room. So we're staying in a small interior room. This will be great for us because we're going to be on the ship for 7 days. This is what the interior room looks like. That looks like a little nook for stuff. Let's see, there is a closet over here, if you can see. Closet, I'll open that. All right, that's pretty good. So there's a lot of hangers in there. It's a good amount of space for a closet. There is your safe, and you can put some stuff down here. In front of us, we have the television. All right. So over here, we have the mirror area. Okay. And here is another full-length mirror that's on the bathroom door. And here is the bathroom. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. Hi, excuse my hair, a little crazy today. So here's the shower. Nice. So this is very different from the ship that we just got off of, which was the Norwegian Pearl. Everything was a little darker. They have the dark wood going all throughout. They've just kind of given like little hints of the dark wood, so they've kept it in certain places, but they've taken it out of most of the areas, which is kind of cool. And so that, ladies and gentlemen, that's basically what the interior stateroom looks like.